was two reasons. The big one being we needed electricity in our greenhouse. The best way to get it out here instead of running a wire all the way from the building was to go with solar panels, and we're also in the process of trying to go greener, even getting panels on top of the school roof. That hasn't happened yet, but we're working on it. Communication and professionalism. A lot of the solar companies we first checked out really didn't communicate very well, and I can't stand that. So Exact Solar was an easy pick. A gentleman by the name of Walt recommended them to us, and he helped with our greenhouse project, so it was a win-win. They're very communicative. Their lead guy that was always out here, Vlad, was awesome. He would dumb it down to a third grader like me mentally to explain what was happening, how the batteries were being installed, the solar panels, everything to the bolts to nuts. He explained it all very well. The gentleman, the sales guy, Michael, who was also spectacular. So it was just, they were very easy to work with, and they were interested in what we were doing, so it just made it that much more fun. It's 48 solar panels. They were donated, which was huge. Exact Solar panel man, and it's powering our greenhouse, which is aquaponics based. So for anybody who doesn't know what aquaponics is, it's fish feed the plants feed the fish. So it operates the pumps and the air stones, the fans, so it doesn't get too hot in there for the students. It's a nice little setup. It was very smooth and hassle-free. I'm like a little kid at Christmas, so it couldn't go fast enough, but when it was finally done, it's been great. And they've been so great. We would actually, I even showed them inside the building, like other projects we were doing, because they thought what we were doing was so cool. And it's really nice to work with like-minded people. So I'm actually excited for them to come out and see how everything's progressing. One, it's nice to say you've gone green. Who doesn't want to say that? Two, it's allowing our students to have an outdoor classroom that's not tied to the building. So that's really, really a fun feature. Being able to talk to other environmental education platforms, other school platforms, and say, hey, this is what we're doing, is kind of getting them to do it too. So if I can get other people to do it, then I'm a happy camper. This is off the grid from the school, but what it would have taken to power this from the school, we're saving a fortune. Just do it. I mean, it's easy. And you can get a good, use some tax breaks, and yeah, just do it. In the long run, it's cheaper. It's a no-brainer.